radio in support of a statewide tornado drill in Minnesota and Wisconsin. Again, this is only a test. No severe weather is actually occurring. As part of this tornado drill, you are urged to review and rehearse your severe weather action plans. Schools and businesses should practice your notification and shelter options. And ask yourself, where would you seek shelter in the event of an actual tornado? Again, this is only a drill, part of Severe Weather Awareness Week in Minnesota and Wisconsin. Our evening drill will be conducted at 6:45 this evening. We now return you to our normal weather radio broadcast. Here is the forecast for selected sites along the Mississippi River as of 10 a.m. Thursday. Occurred in 1971, and the record low is 9, which occurred in 19... This is a test of the National Weather Service NOAA Weather Radio All-Hazard Warning Device in support of the tornado drill for Severe Weather Awareness Week in Wisconsin. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard.